Hello friends, welcome to Mommy Days. Today we are going to see how to make rasam without rasam powder. First we need to cook dal with some turmeric powder and cumin seed. Then we take the dal water to add it to the rasam. This picture shows the things needed for making rasam. First crush the garlic as shown. Add the tomatoes, green chilli, coriander leaf, and the crushed garlic. Squeeze and take the tamarind juice of small lime size. Add the tamarind juice to the tomato and everything. Add the tamarind juice second time. Now crush it all with the hand. Crush it all like this. Now add some water from the dal. Just add the water and then fill it with water. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and then the pepper powder, cumin powder, asafoetida, and the red chilies, broken red chilies. Mix it all together and keep it on the stove on high. Wait till it boils once. Switch off when it boils once like this. I have removed it from the stove. Add oil in pan and season with mustard seed. The rasam is ready. Serve it hot with rice. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.